Okay, what you'll hear is an announcement through a poor quality sound system in a rather difficult environment. The spoken text is distorted because the system input is overloaded. Also, the high frequencies are missing because of bad quality loudspeakers. Also, the room adds a little reverb to make the message a little bit more difficult to understand. So here it is.
This is an emergency. Please leave the building immediately to exit 2.
Any idea what that said?
No.
Okay, you can hear it one more time.
This is an emergency. Please leave the building immediately to exit 2.
Now we'll listen to the original announcement.
This is an emergency. Please leave the building immediately through exit 2.
This is an emergency. Please leave the building immediately to exit 2.
Does that make sense this time?
Yeah. No, wait. Was that the same?
It was exactly the same sentence that you heard the first time.
No way.
It's exactly the same sentence. Your brain is always using known information to make sense of new information. So, if you're already familiar with the sentence that's being spoken, the distorted announcement becomes understandable. Using a repeating message and your ears to judge the intelligibility of an evacuation system may make sense while commissioning a system. Unfortunately, it may not make sense to the people who really need it at the time of an actual emergency.